I need to fix the bottom shelf on this table with some dowels or biscuits, but let's use bow ties. I've had this table in barn for a while. I got it for close to free, I guess, from someone that I buy some things from, and he had it there and asked if I wanted it, and I said sure, I would take it. I knew that I would be able to fix the bottom shelf, or I thought that I would be able to fix the bottom shelf. And I like the idea of doing a bow tie mend on it, but this table had a number of problems, and so it's going to take me a lot longer than what I thought. And here you can see I'm just washing it down with some bleach and some soap and water because it was, stayed in that barn for quite a while. And even though when I pick things up, I usually disinfect them before I put them in my car, but it's been in my barn now for a while, so it was quite dusty and dirty. Here I'm just using the last of some stripper that I didn't really like. And I was planning on going out and getting more stripper, which I did end up going out, and the stripper was useless. So I had to order my stripper online. So here I'm using a different stripper, and I just have a really hard time getting strippers locally. So I tried this stripper, and it ended up doing almost nothing. And then of course the bees don't like it, and I'm outside right now. I left this for about half an hour and then went back and checked it, and I didn't see much action on it. There was no bubbling or real removal. I could scrape off a little bit of the top of paint, but I probably could have gotten that much off with vinegar. So I gave up after a bit and started scraping. That's just a stripper that I could get down the street at the hardware store because I ran out of my good stripper. Give me a stripper that's extremely toxic and works in about 10 minutes. I'll take it. Well, then, shortly after this, the bees came, and I had to stop scraping. I did get the top totally scraped, but then I couldn't finish anymore because I got really ill with something that I ate, and so I was out of commission for the next couple of days, and I did order some good stripper. Hope it's good. It's actually not one that I've ordered before, but I hope that it's good. So fingers crossed. And yeah, what I try to do is not spend $1 million when I'm doing these things over, because it's really difficult to sell things now, and you don't get your money back when you put expensive products into your pieces, let alone the time. So here, it's just a visual, and driving through Lehigh Gorge a little bit, and just wanted to show you that. So this is my outro. I want to thank you for watching this video, and if you watched to the end, thank you so much. If you like it, please give it a like, a share, and consider subscribing. Yep, and I wish you all good and beautiful things. Take care.